If you struggle with digestive issues, you need to buy these 2 ingredients every time you go shopping.
There's a really simple fix for bloating. First step to help, stop eating red meat and dairy. They contain proteins that are really hard for your body to break down, sit in your stomach and cause discomfort. And you definitely want to start eating ginger and turmeric. Consuming ginger can cut down on fermentation, constipation and other causes of intestinal gas. And turmeric contributes anti-inflammatory properties, creating a soothing elixir for your digestive system. And the reason you should be including these in every shop, because consuming both of these daily gives you improved heart health and reduced cellular damage.